first of all, let me introduce myself, and then I will ask everybody to introduce themselves. Okay? Great. Martin, you're smiling. Okay. My name is Metro. I'm the executive director of Ukrainian Venture Capital and Private Equity Association, the national association that unites every person at our investment market, at our investment community, from startups till the private equity funds. And I truly appreciate the organizers for giving Ukrainian startups such a prominent possibility to present themselves once again. And that's it from my side. So please, guys, take the floor and introduce yourself. I have a question from Arthur. So Arthur, the floor is yours.
All right, perfect. So hi, everybody. My name is Arthur Castillo. I am Senior Manager of Field Marketing and Community here at Chili Piper. Super excited to be sponsoring this session. And to kick us off, I guess I'll do my own version of a quick startup pitch. So let me see if I can share. Is this mine? Okay. And tell me, everybody, if you can see this.
Yep.
Okay. Yes. Perfect. So today I wanted to talk to you about two major problems that we see in the industry today, but also huge opportunities for the companies that decide to take advantage of it. So first, let's talk about the traditional marketing funnel. And the idea of capturing an email address in today's day and age is close to, I don't want to say worthless, but it's no longer linear the way people buy. So traditionally, we would capture the email, nurture them all the way through to the point where maybe they want to engage with our sales team, and hopefully we close them from there. But in today's day and age, the way buyers are researching and deciding on what products to purchase has changed, and so too does our marketing. So some of you may have heard of this concept of the rise of the dark funnel or dark social. And again, going from linear buying paths to much more complex marketing funnels. And what we found is really it's the rise of communities and that access to your peers. That is really changing a lot of the buyer's journey. Think about even how we're using LinkedIn today. 5 to 10 years ago, we probably used it as a digital resume, but now I can literally connect with people with the exact same title, and I can message them and say, hey, how are you coming across this challenge? How have you solved it? And that really is the start to my buyer's journey. So because of this, we see a huge opportunity that you can change your marketing, but also by the time that they land on your website, they're much further down funnel than they ever have been before. Now, this is the second issue that we've seen where companies are still taking way too long to get in touch with people that have said, hey, I want to speak with your sales team, or hey, I want to see a demo. It takes 42 hours on average for a lead to respond. Can you imagine that? And now because of this, 60% of those high intent demo requests never even make it to a first meeting. And these are people probably that didn't wake up and saying, hey, you know what? I think I want to speak to a sales rep today. They've probably done some research and said, hey, I want to engage with your company because we think you can solve a problem. So taking them to a thank you page and saying, we'll be in touch shortly, you are missing a huge opportunity. Now here at Chili Piper, we've helped a lot of our customers solve for this issue. And I'll show you a quick presentation on how. So this is a lead form here. What we've done is based on how they're filling out the lead form, we can determine, is this even a qualified lead? Do we even want to show a calendar in the first place? And we can do a quick CRM lookup to see if somebody even owns this account. And because of that, we're capturing the lead at the moment of highest intent. As soon as they fill out that demo request form, they get presented a calendar, they can go ahead and book their time. And what we found is that all across our portfolio of companies, they've actually managed to double their inbound conversion. So their sales team is having way more conversations. They're getting those people into the funnel, And a lot of the time, it's even before their competition can actually have that first call with them. So that's a huge opportunity here that we see. Thank you so much for listening to my pitch on Chili Piper. And I guess I will look to kick it back off to the rest of the startups.
Thank you. And I would like to give a minute for every one of our investors, of our jury members, to present themselves. Okay. Let's start from Borys.
All right. Hi, everyone. Thanks for inviting me. I'm Borys. I'm a founding partner at SMOK Ventures, a 50 million fund that invests in early stage software startups in Central Eastern Europe. We're an American startup investing in Central Eastern Europe, and we want to take you very quickly to either US or any other global market that fits your startup best. So please reach out if you have anything super interesting in super early stage. Pre-product is fine, pre-revenue is fine for us as well.
Thank you. Sami, your turn.
So hi everybody, thanks for Flashpoint for inviting me, and of course for Chili Piper for sponsoring this panel. Especially honored to be judging this batch of startups here. So my name is Sami Ahvenniemi. I come from Vendep Capital, and sorry for the shady environment. I'm at the Vivo in Barcelona at the tail of SaaS conference, and that's this is the light they give me here. We are a Nordic Baltic focused B2B SaaS fund, so we invest in nothing but B2B SaaS, and we focus on early stage companies, meaning anything up to and including Series A. We have a fresh 70 million fund that is now a little over a year old that we're placing investing from this fund for another 2 years or so. That's it.
Thank you. Wojciech, the floor is yours.
Hey everyone, it's really good to be with you here today. So my name is Wojciech. I'm a part of Blackbirds VC. We invest in leading tech startups with some kind of defensible technology and potential to be market leaders. We are sector agnostic. We invest from pre-seed even to Series A. We focus on European founders. We are quite active in Baltics and Nordics. And in person, I backed 12 startups founded by Ukrainian founders with around 800,000 euros. So maybe we will have opportunity to help more of you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. And unfortunately, I can't see Yeva, who must be with us. But okay, I think we're ready to hear the pitching. So the first one is Chronowska, as it mentioned in our list. Are you ready? Problem with connecting. Okay, Sergey, the honor to open this panel goes to you. So you have 2 minutes for a pitch. Yep, revision.
Yeah. Okay. 1 moment.
You may start. Okay. Share your screen.
I'll show you. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Great. Hi everyone, my name is Sergey. I'm CEO and founder of Revision company. Revision is an NPS implementation leader and feedback service. We help companies to retain and return customers during an effective NPS system. Problems that any business has, 45% of customers lost during the first 100 days, and 57% of complaints are provoked by bad service. So we give solution that helps to hear clients from all communication channel in one omnichannel system. We help to collect feedback from QR codes, Viber, SMS, email, call center, and many others channel in one system. Then return clients due to solving their problem and improve service due to measuring it. For users, our system is very simple. No needs to install any application. Clients only scan QR code, write the review, put the mark, and leave photo, audio, video, etc. Company gets feedback in different messengers such as Facebook, Telegram, and personal cabinet, and also analyze service in dashboard. Of course, we have additional instruments for services such as read the menu, to call staff, give tips, and many others, and benchmarking of service indicator for different industries. So the company understands on what stage it's comparing to competitors. And soon we will have a system that helps business to build strategy based on other companies' experience. Here you can see our market size in Ukraine, our focused market size in Europe, USA. We have a simple business model, SaaS solution with monthly fees subscription. We have packages for small, medium businesses and enterprises. We have positive unit economics in Ukraine with low churn rate and high lifetime value. Our main difference from competitors is omnichannel, machine learning, and price flexibility and benchmarking. At now, we cooperate with more than 118 different brands and world brands such as British American Tobacco, New Balance, Burger King, and others. Here you can see one of the cases how we help our clients. We collect feedback during 3 months and help. And as a result, companies returned 20% of customers and increased MRR by 47%. We have a strong team in our board.
30 seconds remaining.
Amazon, in our board top manager from Amazon and Kyivstar Petr Chernyshov. Here you can see our turnover and main achievements. Now we studied in Berkeley Skydeck. We received some grants from Amazon, from USF, from Poland Prize in Poland. Thank you. I finished it.
Great. Right on time. Please, colleagues, your questions, your comments, your tricky questions.
Maybe I will start. You mentioned that you got low churn, 12%. That means that you are replacing your customer database every 10 months. Is that correct?
We have clients that, for example, with Pandora, we cooperate during 3 years. With Burger King, we cooperate during 2 years. Low churn rate because there was coronavirus, and when was coronavirus, we lost small business. But after the end, small business returned to us. Of course, now in Ukraine, work only 20% of our business, and other business on pause. We're waiting for restarting.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. So you should change this churn rate because it's a little bit misunderstanding for investors.
It's a yearly churn rate. It's yearly churn rate from 2020
Okay.
and 29. It's yearly. It's not monthly churn rate.
Okay, got it.
Another question, Wojciech?
Yeah, I can ask one question. So, kind of more generic, like, why are you excited about this market, and why do you think you're the right team to build this and to be the market leader?
Why we excited European market? Yes.
Why are you excited about the market you're in? Basically, the market your company is in, and why do you think you're the right team to become, a global leader in this niche?
One moment. Yeah. We We compared our competitors, and so we have some solutions that our global competitors don't have. For example, we won a tender with Watsons, and in this tender was Customer Gauge. Customer Gauge is a worldwide leader of NPS, and
Watsons, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but your time is up. Maybe you had better write your answer for this question directly to Borys, because we're wasting the time. Sorry.
I can send our table of comparing with our competitors, so you can see our advantages, and also of course we have marketing strategy.
Sergey.
Thank you.
Time is up. Vladimir, did you restore your connection? Oops. Yeah. Vladimir. Still out. Okay. So, Volodymyr Lещенко, VP, are you ready?
Yes. Just 1 second. Let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's okay.
Should I? Yeah. Now you see my screen?
I see the black screen, actually.
Yes.
Nice black screen. Yeah.
Now it's better. It's better. Yeah. Okay. Let's start. Hi everybody. So yeah, my name is Vladimir, and thanks for having me. Yeah, I'm Vladimir. I'm a founder of local marketing SaaS GetPen. What we actually doing, we help multi-location business to implement automation software that helps them to increase customer experience by managing their online presence and communication channels. What is the main actually problem is actually disconnected touch point as customer communication channel on multiple third-party platforms. This platform has different context interfaces, and let's assume that you can handle a bench of cards with each actually service, and you want to check reviews or you want to change information, and it's takes a lot of time. So there are a lot of problems with managing a lot of business records, and we aim to solve this. So what we actually do, and we implement automation software that bring together, bind different kinds of solutions. First of all, and platforms. So we are offering 4 main types of solution: online presence, online promo, online reputation, and customer support. And all these solutions dealing with different kinds of activities. Start and support customers on their customer journey in communication with customer. How they find it on maps or social media, how they deal with it, what kind of information they see, what kind of feedback or comments they are leaving, what kind of question, what the product are asking for. All this data we have an insight and implement back by enhancing reputation and enhancing customer experience. So in result, we bring a lot of values like increase growth of traffic, decrease actually time managing these channels, and actually give information correct. And all this was based by a feedback from our customers. And we have adopted our solution to different kinds of verticals like petrol, finance, retail, telcos, insurance companies, so on. We already have a good traction. We have been growing set time comparing with 2020, 2021. But yeah, starting the world as we are the leader on the
30 seconds remaining.
Yeah, market service. So we aimed on the global and national brands, multi-location business, and agencies. So we focus currently on CE region and DACH region. We have competitors, but we know how to do that. We have a good team of 14 people covering all main shares of activities. And right now we are fundraising, as we are bootstrapped startup. We have been fundraising $500,000. Yeah, for business development. Yeah, it's actually that's all.
Thank you.
Any questions,
Great,
guys?
great presentation. Yeah, Sami, please.
So your custom installation, does it involve integration, or does everything just work by adding the accounts of all of these kind of vertical services to your platform, or is there a rollout to the customer?
So actually, unfortunately, this is back for more investors than the clients, but we have a slide with onboarding. And the main actually ideas of the service that starting from the very simplest part, we have onboarding customer very easy from scratch. What we are doing, we are like integrated through Google My Business, already existing third-party services. They grant access to them, and we grab the information from them, including history of communication from Facebook, from Google, from actually LinkedIn, so on. We grab all the information and already present it in a solution and bring this kind of automation, and the customers should decide by their own what turn on or not. And then we like provide some kind of webinars. So we have been, as we have quite, I think, a lot of experience dealing with large enterprises, even in Poland with PKO Bank, we know how to deal with. So yeah, answering directly, it's a hybrid model. So we onboard customer, but give some decision on their own how they want to deal with our solution.
But you're not yet in like PLG model where the customer would just sign up and start using and then convert to commercial.
No, we work. So especially, yeah, it worked especially with the second part of our target audience, like agencies which are manage their business records for their clients. So they're dealing with a model work for me. But we give them a tool to manage this information easily and save time and manage more customers with the same actually resources.
Time is up. Thank you for your question and thank you for your answer.
Okay.
And
thanks for your
thank you. Yeah, thank you for your presentation. Vladimir sent me the message. There are some issues with his speaker, so he can present the presentation only, literally to present only the presentation, but he can't follow his presentation by his pitch. So let me place you in the end of our session in order maybe you can manage something. You can manage the problem with your speaker. And now, Paulo, your turn. Are you ready?
Definitely. Let me share my screen.
Yep.
So can you see my presentation?
Yes. You may start.
Okay. Yeah, we are Fidget software for smart packages and labels. Let's roll. Imagine a product page on an established online marketplace. Info, cross sales, customer feedback, but physical labels aren't digital and can't provide such communication with an end customer. So Fidget solves the problem by turning physical products into direct digital communication channel between a brand and an end customer. How? In simple words, a user can tap a label or scan a QR code and right on the screen see a product promo, info, and most importantly, get a personalized experience because every item has an individual link. For example, imagine a traditional recipe book, one-time story, but with our solution, and a reader can get new recipes constantly, and an author is getting much more traffic and attention. It's just one case with more than tens of cases. With brands as clients, we are providing many marketing tools to drastically increase business KPIs and end user experience alike. And it's beneficial for us as well. We are selling a license for each e-label on the item. Our target brand is a medium-sized company, and we aim to integrate our solution into the production chain of the company and become a part of a product cost price. We are developing step by step from easy-to-sell products to enterprise-class SaaS content management system. E-label is our second step. The first one was a success with hundreds of brands and tens of thousands of end customers. The word slowed us down at the beginning, but also incentivized our development in European market, where we have our first clients grant and have started an American-based acceleration program. And we need to move fast because the investment space is hot. 5 competitors, 4 are bought already, 1 raised a round recently. Top consulting companies are talking about the physical plus digital brands. Many researchers confirmed amazing results, so the opportunity for development is impressive. And most importantly, we have the right teams for success. Founders have worked together for more than 20 years.
30 seconds remaining.
Yeah, have built successful businesses. We're C-level officers in B2B corporations and startups. Team members are professionals with deep B2B expertise in both tech and business fields. Advisors are high-profile professionals, and investors also love the idea. Our oversubscribed pre-seed round is proof. And now our priority is, of course, scaling clients, and we are looking for the lead investor with B2B SaaS expertise. Thank you.
Thank you, Pablo. So, who's first? Yep, Sami.
I can go again. So what do you consider being your kind of unique thing in the company that makes you like specially positioned to conquer the world with the solution?
Thank you for the question. Let me share my screen again. We are confirmed with personalization, our technology and our expertise for personalization of user experience. So we can provide an easy to sell, easy to implement, like it literally take hours for preparing a solution for a brand. Yeah, easy to sell, easy to attractive for end customers, and personalized IT solution for a brand, badge, or an individual item.
Thanks.
Another question.
Why did you specifically start this business? Like, what was the kind of original idea coming from? Why did you decide to do this versus 100 other things that you could do?
Thanks for another great question. Actually, two years ago, when I started the business, it was even the word digital plus digital, physical plus digital doesn't exist. Digital, but I believed, and I'm getting more and more proof from the market and brands that the future is not pure physical or digital. The future customer experience is a combination of both of them, and I believed in the idea 2 years ago, and so I decided to start to develop the solution.
Thank you. Time's up. Time's up. Wojciech, I'm so sorry to interrupt you.
My bad.
That's okay. You may contact any of our participants in any time in private direct message, so you may ask them. Okay, Yaroslav, your turn. Are you ready?
Yep. Hi, everyone. Happy to be here. Let me show my screen.
Yeah, share the screen and we may start.
Yeah, can you see my slides?
Yeah, please here.
Okay, let's start. So my name is Yaroslav, and I am CEO and founder of Dots Platform, food delivery and e-commerce software as a service. And we develop our product because the world is changing. A lot of people open their doors to courier more often than door of their fridges. A lot of businesses learn their delivery. This market is growing really fast, and technologies became a key driver of this market. but technologies are a real problem for many businesses in this area. Aggregators like DoorDash, Deliveroo have a huge commission. Separate digital tools are inefficient, and on development is extremely long and expensive. That's why we're here, and we developed Dots platform, which allows to launch high-tech ordering and delivery service just in 2 weeks without capital investments paid per use. And our product is the all-in-one ordering and delivery software, which includes all businesses need: branded ordering apps on the website, orders management, CRM, back office information, kitchen and courier apps, delivery management tool, and lots of integration. And all these things work together, dramatically reducing costs and increasing profits of businesses. We are focused on online food delivery and e-commerce market, and it is going to reach $1 trillion in 5 years. And at that time, we plan to have 500 clients on board with $3+ billion revenue. We charge our customers a commission ranging for 2-4%, so we expect to have $100 million ARR in 2027. We do realize that it is a quite competitive area, but we definitely understand how to stand out. And first of all, it's our people. We have a great team with deep food tech expertise, and we've already launched profitable and successful food delivery businesses before. Secondly, we have a ready-to-go product which is trusted by well-known food delivery brands, and more than 2 million orders have been already completed using our platform. And finally, our super efficiency. We have validated and healthy unit economics and 161% ARR growth rate, even without investments. So we haven't attracted funding before. We spent $1+ million on plan for development and plan to raise $1 million for entering new markets. Thanks.
30 seconds remaining. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Wow. That's great. It's almost the original elevator pitch. Okay, so we have more time for questions. Please, colleagues.
First of all, great presentation, really nice deck. I'm really, it looks very, very nice. So 2 questions. What do you understand better on this very competitive market? And could you elaborate a little bit about your traction and how exactly you are earning money?
Yep. Thanks for this question, for your feedback about our presentation. Talking about what we know better, it's that we are not just techie guys. We are food tech entrepreneurs, first of all, because we have food tech experience. We launched a successful food delivery marketplace in Ukraine, and we know exactly how it works inside. So we tend to share our experience with our customers, and we know that a lot of businesses, startups started their projects or pivoted during the COVID times because it's a hot market. We started years before, and we don't sell a software. First of all, we sell additional profit because our platform allows to optimize costs, reduce costs, increase profits, and we have a specific case showcases which describe how our platform help businesses increase profitability. And answering your second question, so how to earn money? We have a commission in range of 2-4%, and it is tied to business revenue. And we are in one boat with our customer, and we don't just want to increase the numbers of our customers. We also working on increasing success of these customers, and it also helps us to grow our revenue.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. And thank you for your pitch. Thank you for your answers. Adriana wrote me something about Olga and Volodymyr page. I'm confused. Sorry, I'm not ready for for some updates. Chronowska, did you manage to fix your problems? I guess not. Can you share your screen at least in order to take a look at your presentation? Okay, let's try this way. Just a presentation. I would suggest about 15 seconds or 10 seconds for every slide. Your time is almost up. Thank you, and it's pity you couldn't accompany your presentation with your voice. It's really pity. Judges, you have your link for the voting, and now you may give your answers. You can make your choice and choose the best tech startup operating in Ukraine. So,
where's that link?
at your invitation, check the invitation at the corner.
Okay, let me check the.
Menti.com, blah blah blah.
Okay, so we don't discuss; we just basically vote and.
No, you just.
Okay, cool. Let me go
Oh,
there.
you have to choose one of these 5.
Ah, yeah, just one. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Yep. Great. Me too. And as I understand, Adriana will send me the result. We have at least 1 minute. Maybe somebody wants to fill this time with its own, with, I don't know, with his own thoughts on this event, or I may
a VC joke.
at least a joke, yeah, because really, I'm so sorry, but I was not ready to be in charge.
Yeah.
The winner is GetPin. So I congratulate you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Another one.
I'm very
Another one win, and I hope you will proceed your activity
for something
as perfect as you did it before. And I would like to thank to all the participants and thank all the judges, all the guests, and for sure Artur Castillo for your intro, for your initial presentation. And as I understand, that's it for now. Thank you, guys. I was really glad to see you all.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thanks a
guys.
lot.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Thank you very much.